Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is video lecture 7 of computer playlist. So let us start. Question number 1. What is MS Excel? Options are A. Word processor, B. Spreadsheet software, C. Presentation software, or D. Database software. So the correct answer is option B. Spreadsheet software. Question number 2. What is the default file extension of MS Excel 2016? Options are A. .docx, B. .xlsx, C. .pptx, or D. .xls. So the correct answer is option B. .xlsx. Question number 3. In MS Excel, a file is known as a. Options are A. Workbook, B. Worksheet, C. Database, or D. Template. So the correct answer is option A. Workbook. Question number 4. What is the intersection of a row and a column in MS Excel called? Options are A. Box, B. Cell, C. Grid, or D. Table. So the correct answer is option B. Cell. Question number 5. What is the maximum number of rows in an Excel 2016 worksheet? Options are A. 65536, B. 1,48,576, C. 1,48,576, or D. 1 lakh. So the correct answer is option B. 1,48,576. Question number 6. What symbol is used to begin a formula in MS Excel? Options are A. @ B equal to sign, C hash sign, or D $sign. So the correct answer is option B equal to sign. Question number 7. Which function is used to find the largest number in a range of cells? Options are A. Max, B. Large, C. Big, or D. Highest. So the correct answer is option A. Max. Question number 8. What is the shortcut key to insert a new worksheet in Excel? Options are A. Shift pulse F11, B. Control pulse N, C. Control pulse F11, or D. Alt pulse W. So the correct answer is option A. Shift pulse F11. Question number 9. What does the count A function do in Excel? Options are A. Counts all blank cells, B. Counts non-blank cells, C. Counts numerical values only, or D. Counts only text values. So the correct answer is option B. Counts non-blank cells. Question number 10. What does the concatenate function do in Excel? Options are A. Adds numerical values, B. Joins two or more text strings, C. Finds the maximum value, or D. Counts blank cells. So the correct answer is option B. Joins two or more text strings. Question number 11. Which of the following is used to find specific information in a table? Options are A. H lookup, B. VLOOKUP, C. Find, or D. Match. So the correct answer is option B. VLOOKUP. Question number 12. What is a pivot table used for? Options are A. To create charts, B. To summarize and analyze data, C. To format cells, or D. To find duplicates. So the correct answer is option B. To summarize and analyze data. Question number 13. Which of the following is a valid formula in Excel? Options are A. Equal to A plus B, A1 plus B2, B. A1 plus B2, C. A1 minus B2, or D. All of the above. So the correct answer is option A. Equal to A1 plus B2. Question number 14. What is the maximum number of columns in an Excel worksheet? Options are A. 256, B. 1024, C. 16,384, or D. 5000. So the correct answer is option C. 16,384. Question number 15. Which of the following functions will return the current date and time in Excel? Options are A equal to now, B equal to date, C equal to time, or D equal to today. So the correct answer is option A equal to now. Question number 16. What's the default number of sheets in a new Excel workbook? Options are A 1, B 2, C 3, or D 4. So the correct answer is option C 3. Question number 17. How do you select an entire column in Excel? Options are A. Click on the column letter, B. Press Ctrl plus A, C. Right click on the column and select all, or D. Press Ctrl plus C. So the correct answer is option A. Click on the column letter. Question number 18. What is the default column width in Excel? Options are A. 8.43 characters, B. 10.25 characters, C. 12 characters, or D. 15.00 characters. So the correct answer is option A. 8.43 characters. Question number 19. What does the freeze pens option do in Excel? Options are A. Keeps the row and column visible while scrolling. B. Protects the worksheet from editing. C. Combines multiple sheets into one. Or D. Sorts the data alphabetically. So the correct answer is keeps the row and column visible while scrolling. Question number 20. What is the function of the PMT function in Excel? Options are A. To calculate monthly payments for a loan, B. To calculate the principal of a loan, C. To calculate the interest on a loan, or D. To calculate the total loan amount. So the correct answer is option A. To calculate monthly payments for a loan. यह हमने आप लोगों के लिए कुछ शॉर्ट नोट्स बनाए हैं. आप वीडियो को पॉज करके इन शॉर्ट नोट्स को पढ़ सकते हो. होप आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और हमारे वीडियोस को लाइक कीजिए. थैंक यू.